When you think of millionaires, what comes to mind? Expensive mansions, fast cars, lavish vacations? Well, what if I told you that most millionaires don't live like that? In fact, they live just like your next-door neighbor, driving regular cars, living in modest homes, and spending carefully. So, how do they build and keep their wealth? Today, we're uncovering the hidden habits of real millionaires. The everyday people who have quietly built their wealth using simple, proven strategies. And guess what? You can do it too. The hidden secrets of millionaires. How ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. When you think of a millionaire, you probably picture luxury, expensive cars, designer clothes, and massive mansions. But the truth is, most millionaires don't live like that. They don't chase status or try to impress others. Instead, they quietly build their wealth by following simple, time-tested financial habits. So, what's their secret? The answer is simple. They live below their means, invest wisely, and avoid debt. 1. The millionaire mindset. Millionaires don't focus on looking rich, they focus on being rich. While most people spend money to impress others, millionaires prioritize financial independence over social status. They don't waste money on things that don't matter. Instead, they plan, budget, and build wealth over time. 2. The power of frugality. Here's a surprising fact: most millionaires don't drive luxury cars. They drive reliable, used vehicles and live in modest homes. Instead of spending money on things that lose value, they focus on growing their assets. They know that real wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep. 3. Investing for the future. Millionaires don't rely on a single paycheck. They invest in stocks, real estate, and businesses. They understand the power of compound interest that's small. Consistent investments can turn into millions over time. Instead of chasing get-rich-quick schemes, they play the long game, letting their money work for them, while they focus on building lasting wealth. 4. Avoiding debt and financial traps. Most millionaires don't have massive credit card debt or car loans. They avoid unnecessary debt like the plague. They pay off what they owe quickly and use their income to buy assets, not liabilities. If you want to build wealth, follow their lead, spend wisely, eliminate debt, and make smart financial choices. 5. Your path to wealth. The truth is, becoming a millionaire isn't about luck or having a high-paying job. It's about habits, discipline, and financial wisdom. Live below your means. Save and invest consistently. Avoid debt and build financial security. By following these simple principles, you too can become the millionaire next door.